Hi friends, it's me, Teeti. Today we're gonna make some Shamrock stencil art for St. Patrick's Day. All right, first of all, I've traced a shamrock design onto my cardboard here. And now I'm going to cut it out using my scissors. And this is going to be my stencil. Now we have our shamrock stencil cut out and ready to use. First of all, I'm going to start with markers. So I'm gonna take a clean white piece of paper, and now I'm gonna take my stencil and I'm gonna put some tape on the back in a few places. That will help the stencil stay in place while I'm coloring. So now I have 4 pieces of tape on my stencil, and I'm going to put it in the middle of my piece of paper, just like that. Now I'm gonna take a green marker, and I'm just gonna start coloring around the edges of my shamrock. I just wanna get a nice amount of color. Now I'm gonna take another shade of green. After all, it is St. Patrick's Day, so we're gonna be using a lot of green today. And I'm just gonna keep coloring around the edges. I might do even bigger stripes this time. So now I'm gonna take another marker and I'm just gonna keep going with my design just to keep carrying it all the way around the piece of paper. So I'm gonna keep coloring. This time I'm going to use some yellow to add a little bit of brightness. All right, we're almost done here. I think I'm gonna take some black just to fill in the edges and really make the shamrock pop. So here we have the finished product, but there's one more step. We have to take off the stencil.